Hello and welcome to my channel, and today let me introduce you the mini Tobot X. And this is the box, then the side of the box, then the other side of the box. So three modes of play, then the back of the box. Then the top of the box, and let's open the box. And this is a mini Tobot X, and here's a catalog, and there's the sticker. We'll see about that later. Sticker, and his catalog. It has 9 steps, and the other side. Let's untie him. So instead of cutting the tie inside, it should be at the back. So this is Mini Tobot X in his robot mode. The robot, so that she has a nice glossy plastic from head to foot, from a robot mode into a car mode. So you see it. To his back. And let's proceed to the articulation of the robot. So you could swivel his arms sideways. And also you could even rotate his arms to 360 degrees. And also you could even kick his legs forward this far and backward this far. And also you could even kick his legs even sideways. And toe tilt. It's not a toe tilt exactly. This is his toe tilt. And let's transform him into a car mode. So first we have to push both his shoulder downward. Be sure that you put his arms beside his feet. Then we have to clip his foot together. Then you have to fold his feet inward and do the same process. And then let's turn our attention to his back. And we have to detach his back, and then we have to push his back or his roof towards his back. Then there she is in his car mode. She has also a nice roll of the wheels. And this is the sticker that we have to attach it to some parts of its body. And this part should be attached here. And this part should be attached here. And okay guys, let's transform him into a robot mode. So first we have to detach both his feet. There she is. She clicks. And then you have to expose his feet area. Then we have to detach both his arms, or shall we say it as roof first. Then extend his shoulder. Then she's so tight, you know guys, she's so tight. Then you have to attach this part to reveal his head. Then there is a peg in this area that we have to attach here. There's a peg here, and then there is a hole here. We have to attach it, to clip it, and there she is in his robot mode. Guys, I bought this toy to $6 from $12 in conversion in Toys R Us, and hopefully more tobot toys that I'll have to reveal to my channel soon. So don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching.